I love my coffee, but coffee cake with my coffee? Now that would be even better. For this deliciously layered coffee cake, let's start with mixing light brown sugar and cinnamon together for the filling. For the topping, we'll combine light brown sugar, gluten-free flour, and cinnamon in another bowl, and then drizzle in melted butter until clumps start to form and it looks like damp sand. Now we'll put both of those aside and begin creaming the butter and sugar together in a large bowl for the batter. Then we're gonna add in the eggs, the half and half, and vanilla, all while mixing to make sure that it all gets combined well. In another small bowl, stir together gluten-free flour, baking powder, and salt. And then we're gonna combine that with the wet ingredients for our batter while the mixer is on a low speed. Once that gets combined, turn the speed up to high and combine it very well, scraping down the sides as needed. As you can see, this batter is simple and pretty standard, just like any other batter. Grease the bottom and sides of your baking pan and spoon half of the batter into the pan and spread it evenly from edge to edge. And now to make the layers, we're gonna sprinkle the filling mixture evenly on top of the batter, and then spoon the remaining batter into the pan and spread it evenly on top of the filling. Finally, sprinkle the topping evenly on top of the batter and in the oven it goes. I've made this in square and round baking pans. It will easily come out of the pan to be plated if you'd like it to as well. The cake is moist and buttery with a wonderful cinnamon and toffee flavor with a bit of crunch on top. Coffee cake perfection in my opinion, and it's gluten-free too. Now that's what I'm talking about, coffee cake to go with the coffee. And of course, you can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.